These two thieves see his bag and move forward. He quickly picks up a bucket of oil and hides. As soon as they come near, he throws the bucket of oil on their clothes. While they are busy worrying about their ruined clothes, his partner arrives and swaps the bag containing the money. When the thieves reach the person they were supposed to deliver the money to, they open the bag only to find it empty. Shocked and confused, they return in a panic, wondering who switched their bag. Meanwhile, the two clever guys call a restaurant, place the bag behind them, and tell the owner to prepare a delicious meal because they are coming to eat. The restaurant owner prepares the food while they pick up the bag and leave. After enjoying their meal, the owner asks them to pay. The first guy, still eating, confidently grabs his bag to take out the money, only to realize it's empty. Panicked, he immediately runs away. The second guy is caught before he can escape. When he checks his bag, he finds their original bag, the one they used to scam others, completely empty. As he tries to run, the guards are called, and he gets a good beating for his misdeeds. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it.